talk real quick about the games that the court and prosecutors play when they bring a case against you. This was the bogus stalking trial in Lenawee County, Michigan. Multiple times it was scheduled for a trial date in Judge Laura J. Schaedler's district court. So I'd show up for trial, and then they'd say, well, we had 10 or 12 trials scheduled for that same day, and you're like number 12, so yours isn't going to go. Their whole game is they're hoping everybody pleads out, because trials are expensive, they take time, and they don't always get the outcome that they're wanting to get because people sometimes are found not guilty. So their goal usually is to plead, hoping for many pleads. It saves time, saves money. But on this date, and like I said, I was scheduled for trial multiple times in this case leading up to this. This judge ended up recusing herself, and it got sent over to Judge Todd M. Morgan's court, the Honorable Todd M. Morgan. But yeah, this one was on September 13th, 2022. I showed up for trial, and my attorney at the time, Mark Linton, told me I didn't even need to show up, even though I was scheduled for trial. I think I probably would have got a bench warrant the way the games they play. So I didn't listen to him, and I did show up. So this is just the table of contents. No witnesses, no exhibits. Adrian, Michigan, Tuesday, September 13th, 2022 at 11:48 a.m. I was scheduled for trial, I think at 9 a.m. that morning, and had to sit there and wait through all the other cases. So I think I was there for 2 hours and 48 minutes just to find out that my trial was adjourned. So here's Mr. Linton, Your Honor. I do have one other case with Mr. Croswick, who's just wanted to confirm on the court record as to a new date for his trial. The court, yes, this is in the matter of Croswick. Today is the date and time set for a jury trial in this matter. It's my understanding, however, that witnesses are not available for today, and we will be putting this over for a specific date. That was not true. The witnesses were sitting behind me in the courtroom. So hopefully we can find a date where it will be the primary. So that's where she's saying, so it'll be the number one, so it would actually go for sure. But like I say, they schedule, I've seen as many as 15 trials being scheduled on one day, hoping that 14 of them plead out and they only have the one trial or none. So that's the games they play. It was the third runner-up on today's date. I don't think it was, because I have the docket and it shows how many they had listed for that day, and I think it was 12. I've got a date for a primary, October 13th. So that's a month later at 10:30. October the 13th at 10:30 in the morning. And here's the prosecutor, Mr. Fleming, the assistant prosecutor, formerly in Lenawee County. I believe he's gone on to private practice now. And Judge, I have two witnesses here. Can we continue them on the record? The court, all right. For those folks that are here in that particular matter, we will continue your subpoena to that date. So he's acknowledging that the witnesses were there. But the reason my trial got adjourned was the witnesses weren't there. If you need a document giving you the date, we'll give it to you right now. So if you'll just go to the hallway, we'll bring them to you. That date was October 13th, asked Mr. Linton. The court, October the 13th. And then the court officer, counsel, don't leave and I'll bring you notices. The court, Do a couple extra ones so we can give them to witnesses, please. The court recorder, sure. And then at 11:49 a.m., proceedings conclude. So that took all of a minute to get through that. And then I ordered the transcript from this date. But yeah, that's the games they play. So if you're not familiar with how courts work, and this isn't exclusive to Lenawee County, this happens all across this country. All right, that's all I've got for today. Working on some other stuff that's going to be coming. Hope you find it interesting, and hope it helps you if you find yourself being maliciously prosecuted or subject of corrupt law enforcement. Thank you. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Stay positive. Peace out.